Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the BRITA MAXTRA Plus water filter cartridges 6-pack and then fit one into a BRITA Marella cool water filter jug. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is a box of 6 BRITA MAXTRA Plus cartridges. They are available in a variety of boxes or packs. This one of course contains 6 and you can get them for up to 12 packs, or you can just buy a single BRITA MAXTRA Plus cartridge. So the BRITA MAXTRA Plus cartridges are a universal filter cartridge for a variety of BRITA products. And now let's go ahead and open up the box of BRITA MAXTRA Plus water filter cartridges 6-pack. But of course, pulling apart the strip here at the bottom of the box to reveal the packs of BRITA MAXTRA Plus cartridges inside. So being a 6-pack, they should contain 6 MAXTRA Plus universal water filter cartridges inside. So that is the box of 6 BRITA MAXTRA Plus cartridges emptied. Let's set the box to the side right there. And just spreading or laying the water filter cartridges out across the tabletop just to give you a good look at all 6 packs from the 6-pack box. Okay, so now let's take a close-up look at one of these packs so you know what to expect of this BRITA MAXTRA Plus water filter cartridges 6-pack. As I mentioned, you can buy them in different pack sizes or boxes. This is the 6-pack and it's available up to a 12-pack size. And this is one of the BRITA MAXTRA Plus cartridges sealed inside for freshness. And right there, giving you a nice good look. And just setting the cartridges once again to the side so you have a clear view of all of the cartridges, or at least most of them, without being too distracting to the foreground. And just to bring another pack up so you can see both of them up close, 2 of the 6-pack of BRITA MAXTRA Plus water filter cartridges from the 6-pack box right there. And now let's go ahead and open one up. So just going to give you one last look at it close up, just so you can check out the details of the packaging and the instructions and information that's printed on it. Okay, now let's go ahead and open up the pack. So you can see just how tightly sealed it is, and just popping open the packet, you can see the BRITA MAXTRA Plus cartridge inside, just to show you all we see, or that's contained within that hygienically sealed package, is this BRITA MAXTRA Plus cartridge. So giving you a good look all round. so you have some sense of the size and design of this BRITA MAXTRA Plus water filter cartridge. So water flows in from the top and drips down through the bottom of this water filter cartridge. So they last up to 4 weeks or a month before they need to be replaced again. It's right there giving you a good idea of the size, with the MAXTRA Plus cartridge resting in the palm of my hand right there. Okay, so giving you a good close-up look of this BRITA MAXTRA Plus cartridge from the BRITA MAXTRA Plus 6-pack of water filter cartridges. Okay, so you guys might be familiar with the BRITA Marella cool water filter jug, which I unboxed a while ago. So it does have a maximum filling capacity of 2.4 liters. And it has been very, very useful and sturdy. And just to give you an all-round look. So if you need to find out more information about this BRITA Marella cool water filter jug, just search through my channel for the video of this unboxing of the cool water filter jug. Okay, as you can see, the indicator is flashing. It's time to replace the water filter that was inside, which I've already removed, and given the cool water filter jug a nice, good, clean wash with warm water and some vinegar, just to keep it nice and shiny and remove any kind of buildup of limescale and gunk. So once again, giving you that look at that indicator there. So that is the BRITA memo that comes with this BRITA Marella cool water filter jug. So it does have 4 tiers or 4 bars, each one representing 1 week. And it is an automatic timer that removes each bar after 7 days. So once it goes down to 0, it will start flashing just like that to remind you to replace your BRITA MAXTRA Plus water filter cartridge. Okay, so setting that lid down, we remove the funnel, and of course there are steps that are needed to prepare the MAXTRA Plus water filter cartridge before use. So just giving you the instructions. Before use, you need to immerse the MAXTRA Plus cartridge in water and then agitate it or shake it when it's submerged in water or immersed in water to release any loose particles and air that might be trapped in the filter elements inside the water filter cartridge. And once you've done that, remove the filter from the water, of course, and then fit it into the funnel of this Marella cool water filter jug, or whichever BRITA product you have that works with the MAXTRA Plus cartridge. So giving you a look at the Marella cool water filter jug, the funnel which is inside, which I'm holding right now. Just simply fit the cartridge in there, and just like that, you can see the MAXTRA Plus water filter cartridge is sitting nicely inside of the funnel of this Marella cool water filter jug. And just to show you, it's very simple to remove. Just pull it out on the sides, and to fit it in, it can go in either direction or orientation. So it is a simple fit right there. You can't fit it wrong, at least for this BRITA Marella cool water filter jug or the funnel. Okay, and simply replace the funnel into the jug right there. So With the funnel, it can only go in one way. Just observe that the squared off end is facing the front, or the wider end of the funnel is facing the front of the jug right there, and it will sit in very nicely right there. You'll know when you do it wrong because it will not sit flush. And then simply, of course, before, as I mentioned, with the steps of preparing the Maxtra Plus water filter cartridge, after you've submerged it in water and given it a few shakes, place it in the funnel, and what you need to do is run 2 full fills of water through the jug or your BRITA product to make sure that all kinds of loose particles have been filtered through before you start using it. So use it on the 3rd fill, actually use the water at the 3rd fill. So right there, giving you a nice good look at that BRITA Maxtra Plus cartridge sitting nicely inside this Marella cool water filter jug, also from BRITA. So right there. And of course, last thing to do is to reset the memo indicator right there. So press and hold that start button. As you can see, the bars fill up. And simply release. And you can see it is back up to 100%. Each tier, or 25%, representing 7 days. So it is a countdown timer to remind you when it's time to replace your BRITA Maxtra Plus water filter cartridge. So that's the BRITA Maxtra Plus water filter cartridges 6-pack. Thanks for watching and happy filtering!